Hello, today is December 6, 2014 on the weekend, and we're coming to you from NinjaTraderPro.com, where we are offering free education and personal coaching, educating day trading. I am going to focus in this video on the reasons why I use NinjaTrader, why I feel it offers me some distinct advantages in my trading, or I could say that I gravitated to NinjaTrader because I found it was the software best suited to the things that I consider most important in trading. Now, what we're going to be doing on this website is, in terms of free education, we're going to be creating videos, and this is building on a tradition that started in what I call my Generation 1 blog, and that is right here, ES Mini Day Trader, going back a few years ago, where we went through lots and lots of specific trades, exactly where we got in and out, executed live in real time, giving you all the actual entries and exits for 7 days in succession. That was determined we would be giving a test to our trading techniques and verifying whatever performance would come out of that test in the DOM and the transactions trade by trade timestamps. And that blog was elaborated on in more detail in mini volume profile day trading, where we offered a lot of videos, free education, and you can refer to those blogs, and you can go to YouTube and look under eMini Pro Trader, and you'll see lots of videos offering you free education there. Now, we're going to do something in some ways similar, but in many ways different on eMiniTrader Pro. And what I'm going to try to do is share with you how I see the market and how I design ways of executing for profit in the ways that seem to me to be the most efficient and the most high probability, and things like that are more doable from my perspective, the way I trade. And I'll be offering lots of different sort of ideas and strategies for trading and different kinds of trade plans and things. But it's all going to come down to that's from my perspective. And the personal coaching is for those very probably select few traders who have already achieved some success but want to try to evolve into finding out how to trade more along the lines of what works for them, that's really designed around the way that they see the market. So the way we see the market, I feel, is very much a function of the software that you're using to trade it. So again, in this video, we're going to look a little bit at why I use NinjaTrader. Now, please keep in mind during this video, and really whenever I put something up on the website, I'm not showing a specific system or a specific way of trading. I'm showing things that I have done with trading over the years, actually over the decades, and these are just, like I would say, tools in the toolbox. Everything is that. And to me, everything is whatever I need to do any particular day I'm trading, that's going to give me the best shot of making money and absolutely, for sure, not losing money. So this is just to give you an idea of why I like NinjaTrader. It's because it's so flexible, so fast, so easy to use. Let's say I just want to know what is it now? Is it what they might call an uptrend, what they might call a downtrend, or can I look at this sort of market profile, volume profile, preponderance of trades in this area right here, and then it comes down and it resists there throughout the second half of the day, You know, I can have something quickly visual, for example, or maybe I want to scalp. So I call up 110 tick chart. Uh, and the tools are there to do this, to do these kinds of things very, very quickly. And for example, what you're going to find a big part of my trading that I always will be using, and that I would recommend this more, not only for me but for other people as well, that I'm looking at a longer time frame to get a lot of confidence about where I think the market's at right now. So I'm going to be putting in uh, levels where the market was, say, resisted the last time it was trending upwards. And in this case, that's going back 4 or 5 days ago. And then it had a little topping activity, and then it was resisted here. There was actually a little bit of a gap here from the close on this day, and then it just came up and tested that gap, filled it by a tick or two, and then now it's setting itself at up against support down here from the previous week, and it's coming in where I like to put in moving averages to just very quickly and clearly visualize where's the mean now, where is it finding value, for example. And maybe I like to put in an envelope to see, well, these are the extremes, and what does it do at those extremes. And another thing I like to do is look for indications of a very clear sentiment indication, and this is one of these, is when you get 3 drives to a top, for example. This is what I'll probably do some videos showing this as a kind of a methodology in a way, where we are looking at a point where the market extended itself, and then it came back towards this same kind of magnetic target, that low extreme tail there that was created, and then it eventually found another clear extreme that was higher, and that would be our second low, and then the third one, and you find that the distance between the three is about equal. And this is a very common thing when markets are probing a level of support or probing a level of resistance, as they did up at the high. So then I have something that gives me a little bit extra confidence if I'm going inside on one of these days down to, let's say, 100 tick level, which is, you know, getting down to real micro, and it's a level I use a lot for scalping. And then the NinjaTrader gives me the means to very quickly create something that I want to show where is a level of support, for example. Where would I want to execute a trade? Now, what I might be doing once I do something which can be done very quickly like that, or another thing that's good about NinjaTrader, it might even let me set up in a way where I like to create a sort of a box, a range of support and resistance. And that's what this is, actually an indicator readily available out there for NinjaTrader that just sort of draws in some automatic ones. And, you know, if I'm scalping, I can take trades, a lot of trades during the afternoon. I might come in at noon and, you know, get 10, 12 trades, a few contracts in and out, maybe scaling. You know, these are different things that are options, ways to trade. But NinjaTrader sets it up very quickly. I create different color boxes if I want. You know, I can say, okay, the level that's the extreme bottom, I'll make it a nice red here, give it a little more color. And, you know, that wouldn't go well with my color scheme where I'm already using red, so I would determine that, I don't like red, so I'm just going to go in and make it dark blue. And then it stands out more, fits more to this extreme here. So maybe I'm looking at this. Now I got a level here, and I see that that's a significant point. It tested. I have an indicator here that's saying, well, you know, I could probably buy the dips if it's going to take out a pivot here. So now I'm making higher lows, higher highs on my pivot. So I come up here, and maybe I'll put a trade on in this area because I can draw a circle on that if I want. So I see the highs here, then I put in an order here. And how do I do it?